Hello, welcome back. So in the last video we have just installed the Odoo and created the database. It's a fresh database, so it's empty, and today we can look how we can set up the Odoo as per our functionality or as per our company. Okay, so here you can see the apps, and if I go to settings, here you can see users and companies, and I'm going to the companies. So currently the company is my company and I'm opening that. Here you have the edit option, like you can give your company name. In my case I'm giving YCL TechSoft. Okay, here you can select your logo, and here you can provide the address, phone, mobile, email, etc., and favicon also. Here this is the currency field, you can select the currency. Then I am saving this record. Okay, so our company is now YCL TechSoft. And next thing is users. So currently we have one internal users. Yeah, so if you need to add multiple users or you want to give the credential to your staffs, you can create by clicking this create button. Here you can give the name, email address, and user type, which is internal user or portal users, like that. And this is the access right, so you can give the access right to your users, like if you have any particular group of users, or if you have like if you want to restrict some data to shown or to visible to the some specified users, then you can use this. Currently we have not installed any modules, that's why it's empty. So we can save. Okay, we can discard. Then again I'm going to the apps. I'm installing the basic apps like Sail. I can install Sail. It will take some times to install the sales module. Okay, our sales module is installed. Here you can see the sales, and invoicing is also installed. I'm again going to the apps and I'm installing the purchase also. Here you can see the purchase and I'm installing that. Okay, purchase is also installed. Then the next thing I need to install is inventory to manage the stock. Here you can see inventory, so I'm installing that. Okay, so our inventory is also installed. If you click the home menu, you can see the apps like sales, invoicing, purchase, inventory. So I'm going to sales. Here you can see there are no records because it's a fresh database. The first thing I need to create a product. I'm creating a product like laptop. Here you can see the product type. Here I am selecting it's a storable product, and the sales price is 20,000. The cost I can set 15,000. And there are some other field also, internal reference, barcode, etc. And I'm going to the sales. Here you can give the description, and in the purchase you can set a vendor for the purchase, or in the inventory you can see there are also some details like weight, volume, etc. Okay, I'm saving this. Okay, we can, yeah, I'm saving this product. Currently you can see the on hand quantity is 0. So in the market, if we have a product, first we need to purchase for that, or first we need to manufacture for that. So in my case, I need to purchase the product. So in purchase, first I need to do is I need to create vendors for purchase. So I'm creating the vendors like ABC. I can specify it's an individual or it's a company, and I can give the address, phone, mobile, extra other details. I'm saving this. So then I'm going to the request for quotation, and I'm creating a purchase order for that laptop. Here I can select ABC, and the product is our laptop, and I'm purchasing 5 quantity. The cost is 15,000, that's why here the unit price is 15,000. So total is this with including GST. I'm saving this and I'm confirming order. So it's changed to the purchase order. The next thing, I need to receive the product because I am purchasing the product, so I need to receive. So I need to validate this, apply.